This is a great way to get your vegetables and your fruits. And this is what I drink almost every morning. So stay tuned and you will also get the recipe. So to start, I'm gonna aim this a little higher so you can see what's going on. Look at this, they have little suction cups on the bottom. Could you hear that? This thing is not going anywhere. I am loving that. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. So this is what I put in my smoothies every day. I get celery, and I genuinely just throw the whole thing in there. So it's one little thing of celery. I do use half a cucumber.
Normally I leave the peel on the cucumber. Today I just happened to peel it, but you can easily leave it on. I know it does contain a lot of nutrients and vitamins, so it's completely up to you.
And if you're wondering what knife I'm using the Blue Diamond. I am loving this set of knives. They are extremely sharp. So, and I'm just gonna throw that in there. I do have some pineapple. This is canned pineapple. It's about 6 little pieces. I'm gonna throw those in there. Here is a piece of ginger. I'm only gonna use about half of this because that's quite a bit.
Now I am using a knife, but if you want to use the edge of a spoon to scrape off the little peel off the ginger, you can do that as well.
That in there. So this is what it's looking like so far. And then I do use Gala apples. It's one of my favorites. This one and the Fuji apples are also, because they have a little bit of sweetness to them. And I'm just going to cut this up. And I do end up using the whole apple. And let me know if you want smoothie recipes. My son likes to drink smoothie recipe that's a little more protein driven. So he'll do like peanut butter and then the protein mix because he does go to the gym. Let me get the rest of this in there. And then I did pick this up at the store. It's called Power Greens. Normally I'll add the spinach and the kale. If I happen to have romaine, I'll add some of that as well. But this one has chard, the spinach, and the kale. So I just grabbed some of that. I put that in this little bowl here. I'm gonna put that in here as well. And I'm going to add a little bit of orange juice. So I'm just using orange juice. I've got the kind with the about six ounces. And here is the blade. I'm just gonna shove that right in there. And let's mix this up. Now, since I already put protein powder in my coffee this morning, I'm not gonna add that. Otherwise, I would add some too here, like Vital Proteins. I'll show you what I like to put in my coffee.
As you can see here, once I hit start, there is a little bit of a glare, but it's actually counting the number of seconds that it is blending. And when I actually stopped it, it was at 22 seconds.
Okay, so let me go ahead and pop this off. This is already so much nicer. Let me move the base. I'm loving those little suction cups on the bottom. They're super strong. Okay, so obviously I do have the lid, so I can easily take this blade off. And just add the lid to it and use it that way, but I do want to see the consistency. Okay, so I do like my smoothies a little thicker, so I do want to show you the consistency, which is why I don't take the peel off of the apple.
And if you don't want this thick consistency, you can easily run it through a strainer and then get rid of the pulp, or you can just drink it the way it is.
Anyway, so that is my breakfast smoothie. So for this next smoothie, so I am going to make the protein recipe for my son. Okay, so I am going to start off with some ice. See that? Just gonna push this back here so you can see. And we can either use oats or use this something like this, Quaker Simply Granola. So it's got the oats, the honey, and the almonds. So this is what I'm gonna use. I'm going to use half a cup. I'm going to add a banana. I'm just gonna break it up and put that in there. So here I just have about a tablespoon of peanut butter. And I am using some almond milk. This one is sweetened with vanilla. If you have just plain almond milk and you want it a little more flavored, you can just add a little drizzle of vanilla in there. So I'm gonna add and just a tiny little drizzle of honey. Well, since this does have ice, I'm going to hit the crush button. That looks so good. Okay, so here it is. I was trying to angle this so you can see it. And oh, look at that. It's perfect. And at this, you know, if you wanted to go ahead and add additional protein powder or anything like that, that would make it really good. But this in itself is amazing. And there you have it. That is the second recipe. And it crushed up the ice and the granola really well. Okay, well, since I had everything out, I went ahead and gave you the second recipe. This is more of a protein shake because it does have the peanut butter, the granola, the almonds from the actual cereal. But oh my gosh, it crushed up the ice. This is so good. It's hard for me to choose between the green, but I mean, you can get your protein in this one and your fruits and vegetables in this one. So either way, I'm in love with my new blender. I am so happy with it. I'll give you the details down below as far as which one specifically it was, or I'll put it right up here. But let me know which of these smoothie recipes you tried, or if you tried both of them. But either way, they're very nutritious. They're very good.
Some of my footage got cut off, but as you can see, I make a lot of smoothies and fruit juices here on this channel, so definitely make sure that you follow me. You can see them on my shorts or even on long form, but either way, I'm really happy to have you guys here. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, so when that next video comes out, you will be notified. All right, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one.